Now, Indian Red Cross Society IRCS Manipur State Branch organized a felicitation program to honor volunteers of the state and district branches for their commendable service in providing timely assistance to victims affected by the recent floods. The event was attended by IRCS Manipur State Branch Vice President Dr. RK Nimai, Chairman Narendra Ningomba, Imphal East District President and DC Dr. Nivedita, and former Chairman Dr. Yenglim Mohin. Speaking on the occasion, Imphal East DC Dr. Nivedita Lairen Lakpam highlighted the roles and contributions of Indian Red Cross Society during times of disaster and calamity in taking people to safety while also providing relief to those in need. She added that the spirit of Red Cross Society prevails all over the world while expanding the spirit of volunteerism along with it.
Indian Red Cross Society Imphal East District Branch na Hana respond to bibado was very helpful, and I'm very thankful to Indian Red Cross Society for that. Not only blood donation na ambulance service provide to bibase enough ambulance service like the state government di Imphal East ki oiro only we have only 2-3 running aduso so sigumba matamda flood kumba any natural calamity ama tholapa matamda we do not have enough aduga me manpower su like the aduga then like it's such a huge relief to the government that Indian Red Cross Society na ambulance service sama provide to we say it's such a huge relief to the government.
On the other hand, Dr. RK Nimai noted that acknowledging the society's humanitarian work, former MP Dr. RK Ranjan and incumbent MP Dr. Bimol Akoijam contributed an ambulance and 2 boats respectively, which have been instrumental in relief operations. In the event, volunteers from IRCS Manipur State Branch, Imphal East, Imphal West, Thoubal, Bisnupur and Kakching district branches were felicitated with citations and mementos in recognition of their dedicated service and committed to Red Cross ideals.
Respond to affected person support people kudong chabasi later any have confidence to the young person later. They should volunteers in training the war, fundamental principle like that safety first, slow the bar, they follow the tower. Very know the volunteer casualty home the whole movement say so was sent back laka